The doorbell at 3:17 a.m. Last night at exactly 3:17 a.m., my doorbell rang. I was home alone upstairs. Who rings the bell at that hour? Nervous, I checked the live door camera on my phone. No one was there. But something was off. The camera angle looked strange. It wasn't showing the porch. It was filming from inside the house. I crept downstairs. The front door was still locked. No sign of a break-in. But when I turned around, my bedroom door was wide open. I checked the footage again. Now the camera was recording from under my bed. The last thing I heard was a whisper. "So, you're awake now?"